once I got into the system, once I got into the know-hows of the CRM, I've understood that this might be one of the most promising or maybe the best CRM for a lot of use cases that I often come across. Hi, I'm Abdul Wajid, CEO of Stakque Digital Private Limited. We are one of the best lead generation agencies of South India. We have clients from almost all the continents. Especially, we have the best of the best educational institutions from the South India signed up with us. I might have worked with around 13 plus CRMs, and give or take the custom CRMs that the clients have built for them, it would go up to 17 plus. And the one thing I've always faced was support. You raise a ticket, you pray to the God, and if he answers, you might someday get the responses. The other CRMs, many of them, I cannot say all of them, but many of them just let us be. It really becomes a DIY project in the end. TeleCRM was more like let us do it together kind of a CRM. We have had a specific use case when it comes to WhatsApp. So we as the agency, we almost always granularize inbound sources. So we really wanted to separate WhatsApp numbers for all the separate lead sources. That was not the norm of how TeleCRM used to operate. So we explained the scenario, we gave them the reasoning behind it, and TeleCRM just went on. I gave us a timeline of 30 days, or I think around 40-45 days, and they've just built that for us. I've never seen any other CRM doing that. They would rather say that it's not possible or they cannot take it up. If you are on a lookout for a CRM and you do not want your days and nights messed up because of poor support and infinite stat or turnaround time, you can of course consider TeleCRM.